hating and the poppin', pimpin', you don't know. Quit telling people you my partner, listen, you don't know. Don't be a groupie, keep it moving, shouting, you don't know. Hey, I ain't trippin', pimp, the truth is really, you don't know. Yeah, you know they call me T.I., but you don't know. You be hating and I see why, cause you don't know. I think it's time I made a song for people who know. I graduated out the streets, I'm a real OG. I've been trapping since I stood OB. So all you rappers acting bad, you gon' have to show. You gon' make me bring this Chevy to a real slow creep. My partner's hanging out the window, mouth full of gold teeth. When the start, wonder when it's gon' cease. Chop with the side and create a slow beat. We can end the speculation, cause today we gon' see what's the future of a sucker who be hating on me. I ain't worried about the feds' investigation on me. I don't care that they at my shows and they waiting on me. I'ma keep on flossing, popping long the tunes on the beat. Tell police I ain't stopping, I'ma keep it in the streets. Contrary to your beliefs, I'm as real as you can be. So keep your thoughts and your feelings, shout it, you don't know. You might have seen me in the street, but shout it, you don't know. When you holler, when you speak, remember you don't know. Save all the hating and the poppin', pimpin', you don't know. Quit telling people you my partner, listen, you don't know. Don't be a groupie, keep it moving, shout it, you don't know. Hey, I ain't trippin', pimp, the truth is really, you don't know. Yeah, you know they call me T.I., but you don't know. You be hating and I see why, cause you don't know. Hey, once again, let me remind you, pimpin', you don't know. So don't be walking up and asking what's the deal on it. I don't know if you wearing wise, you could be the police. If I was, you couldn't get up. See me in the PSC falling through at a show deep. Police holding up the dope, cause they know we dope. I just wanna rap with C in the fleet, overclaying by the dozen different freaks in a week. I just wanna chill with country and his daddy Freddie G. Ballin' out at any time, and in the store and spill a G. Wanna ball in the Bahamas, courtesy of KT. Backbone, he got a mill as well as Dollar DP. 8K house on the hill, right next to JG. Every week meet at Belot, restaurant and eat free. Get in, they pay, Lil Greg and B. That's the only shot we got it, getting cat back on the street. You might have seen me in the street, but shout it, you don't know. When you holler, when you speak, remember you don't know. Save all the hating and the poppin', pimpin', you don't know. Quit telling people you my partner, listen, you don't know. Don't be a groupie, keep it moving, shouting, you don't know. Hey, I ain't trippin', pimp, the truth is really, you don't know. Yeah, you know they call me T.I., but you don't know. You be hating and I see why, cause you don't know. You see a sucker hating on a G, that's some what it's gon' be. What you looking at, now shouting, you don't know. At the club, in the street, so wherever we should meet, it's chopper chopping. You don't know. See a sucker hating on a G, that's some what it's gon' be. What you looking at, now shout it, you don't know. At the club, in the street, so wherever we should meet, it's chopper chopping. Pimpin', you don't know. You might have seen me in the street, but shout it, you don't know. When you holler, when you speak, remember you don't know. Save all the hating and the poppin', pimpin', you don't know. Quit telling people you my partner, listen, you don't know. Don't be a groupie, keep it moving, shouting, you don't know. Hey, I ain't trippin', pimp, the truth is really, you don't know. Yeah, you know they call me T.I., but you don't know. You be hating and I see why, cause you don't know.
Yeah, I think I'm finding my sweet spot with beta. So you guys didn't enjoy that. I don't know, hopefully the footy's not shaky. It didn't look like it. I heard some oscillations when I come across that green path over here. I did hear a little bzzz, but like I said, this is just punching some numbers in and coming out and giving it a try. So leave a comment down below, please. Let me know.
Like it, comment, subscribe. Love ya.
That's worth it, right?